Absolutely, it's right here there in the image. The emotion is unmistakably clear. It's happiness. Let's just copy this image here and then paste it here. Often when people sit down to design, they think, let me show something happy. Even if it's not ideal, they tend to portray happiness. However, it is not as simple as that. People quickly catch on this approach. This discussion is about precisely about happiness. Like people will guess that this poster or this design has something to do with the happiness of the Donald Trump. First and foremost, emotion drama is always required in our image, and it is matter of a great deal. So what should we do now? First and foremost, we need to identify the emotional drama. To uncover this drama, we need to pay attention to two crucial elements. As I mentioned, first one is the lighting, as you can clearly see in this first image, and the second thing is expression. Like this is the happy expression, this is the solitude expression. Like it cannot predict it is happy, it is sad, or it is angry. If there's no expression within, like neither sad nor distress, just a glance towards the camera, just towards you, that's exactly what we need. That's genuine direct connection is what we seek to portray. Are you looking for action or stillness? Reflect on audience. Imagine what goes through their mind, their prescription about things. They could have a positive as well as negative thought about that. If I write here, let's just increase the size and the color to the white of the text. Okay, and here you can also change the font, whatever font you like. Let's just try this Victor and then type. So by using when I wrote love, this is because the image lacked any specific expression. Even if I add another image here saying lovely or hate, let's just type hate, you will be able to see that this image is just working fine even in the case of hate and love or angry. You can type any typography here or any word you want to convey just by using this image. And let's just say if I unseen this and I just copy and paste it here, you can see the copy paste is connected. And now just say let's put hate in this image. You can clearly see that this image is not made from being hate. This is an ideal happiness photo. So the word or not all the words will go to this image. Whereas if you type love, then the image will perfectly be happy and the perfectly be okay image. But if we want to convey another message or an solitude message of something that we don't want any specific reaction, we have to take images like this, that is just a simple glance towards your camera. The audience won't engage as you would, as they are interpreting different things simultaneously. When two people are talking at the same time, whose conversation would you listen to? You did probably tell which one is the quiet, right? This is the exact story within the image. And you can also see that this image itself tells a story. So people won't pay attention to another story on your contents. This will immerse themselves in the story within the image from their own prediction about it. Once they have done that, they won't look beyond that. So what we need to do is embed a story within the image. For that, you can create an element within the image that triggers curiosity. It could be an hidden details, a symbol, or even a conspiracy. A related element that make viewer curious about what's hidden in the image. This way, instead of forming opinion about the image itself, viewer will engage with the design and your content will achieve its intended effect. Remember, the design is in your hand, and it's up to you strategically incorporate elements that evoke the desired reaction and engagement from your audience. The impact of design influences the formation of opinion. As you create design, people will form opinion basis on what you have designed. They will also learn over time, but first and foremost within the image. And what you need to maintain a sense of mystery, not like this image. You can use this image also to create a sense of curiosity and mystery behind the image, because even within that image there is a story. So I will approach it in the same way, considering business approaches. You have to find that balance, whether you do not directly reveal the story within the image, but create intrigue and curiosity that encourage viewers to form their own opinion. You are right that opinion people form are in their hands. The design you create will shape those opinions. While people learn and evolve along with your design, first you need to keep an element of surprise within the image like this. An expression shouldn't be immediately visible in the image. If I talk about the second match, I wouldn't use this image, because the key is not to overly reveal the story within the image, but to present in a way that user or viewer encouraged to think, understand and connect with your design. Just an expression list. If I were to describe an image in one word, your image should be expressionless. There shouldn't be any expression of sadness, happiness or any other expression. Just an absence of expression, because that quality will support your design. So this conclude our lecture, where we have learned how to speak and picture like a journalist or an reporter. We should always approach like this. If a journalist need to convey a story, they use graphic and image that either lack any story within themselves or possess an emotion that promotes your content rather than the image itself. Alright, we have summarized this whole. See you in the next lecture, guys.